We're celebrating St. Patrick's Day today with a green and gold body butter bar made with deep green, unrefined hemp seed oil, soothing oat oil, and creamy cupuaçu butter. Hey bees, I'm Marie from Humblebee and Me, and today we are making what some people call a lotion bar, but I call a body butter bar. Whatever you call this type of formulation, it is a anhydrous or water-free solid moisturizer that can be poured into a mold to create a freestanding bar or poured into a push-up tube if that's what you prefer. If you'd like to learn more about the ingredients we're using today, if you're looking for substitutions or places to buy them, please make sure you check out the full partner blog post linked in the description box below this video. We'll begin with the ingredients needed for our heated phase. You'll need 4.95 grams of oat oil. Oat oil is a beautiful, rich emollient with anti-inflammatory and anti-irritant properties. Mine was a gift from Brambleberry. Up next, you'll need 7.5 grams of rich and creamy cupuaçu butter. Cupuaçu butter is one of my favorite butters thanks to its wonderful moisturizing abilities and gorgeous silicone-like finish on the skin. This cupuaçu butter was a gift from LAVIDA Oils, a small company based in Pennsylvania that specializes in high-quality oils and butters sourced from small, sustainable producers in Brazil. Their cupuaçu butter is lovely. I find it has less of a sour note than some of the cupuaçu butters I've used in the past. They also have some really interesting oils. If you get a chance to try the picky oil, it smells amazing, a lot like passion fruit. The last two ingredients in our heated phase are our hardeners. You'll need 3.6 grams of stearic acid and 5.4 grams of cetyl alcohol. This blend creates a bar that feels rich on the skin but glides beautifully. If you live somewhere quite a bit warmer than I do, you may need to increase the percentages of these hardeners to raise the melting point of the bar. If you'd like to learn more about stearic acid and cetyl alcohol, I recently shared deep dives into both of these ingredients, so make sure you check those out. If you don't have both stearic acid and cetyl alcohol, you could try replacing both of them with 30/70 cetyl alcohol. Combine these four ingredients in a beaker and then heat everything together in a water bath to melt the cupuaçu butter, stearic acid, and cetyl alcohol. To make a water bath, simply pour about an inch of water into a saucepan, put your beaker into that saucepan, and then put the saucepan on your stovetop over medium-low heat. The water will insulate everything so that you can't accidentally burn it. While the oil phase melts, you'll want to prepare your mold and measure out your hemp seed oil. If you're using a silicone mold, take a spoon and sprinkle just a wee bit of gold mica over the bottom of the mold. This is optional, but really pretty. Creates a bit of a irregular gold shimmery topping to the bar. Weigh out 8.4 grams of unrefined hemp seed oil for later. Mine was a gift from Plants Power. Once the heated phase has melted, remove your water bath from the heat and remove your beaker from the water bath. Slowly stir in the hemp seed oil. Doing it this way reduces the amount of heat that this delicate oil is exposed to, and it also kickstarts the cooling process. Once the hemp seed oil has been incorporated and the mixture has cooled down a bit, weigh in the vitamin E, stir to combine, and pour the mixture into your prepared mold. Carefully carry that mold to your freezer or your porch if it's quite cold outside. Once the bar has set up, you can remove the mold from your freezer/porch and then remove the bar from the mold. If you've opted to go the standalone bar route, I do recommend finding some sort of a tin or a jar that you can store the bar in throughout its lifetime. Otherwise, it will collect a lot of hair and lint and end up looking really, really gross. To use this green and gold body butter bar, simply glide it over some skin that could use a bit of pampering and moisturizing goodness. These bars should last at least a year. If you'd like to learn more about melting body butters and how to stop that from happening, click here. And if you would like to learn more about why body butters go grainy and how to prevent that, click here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.